Install this millionaire habit in 7 days. What if I told you there's one habit that 90% of self-made millionaires have in common? And you could install it in just 7 days? Welcome to the Millionaire Operating System. In this video, I'll show you a simple but powerful habit that separates the wealthy from the average, and how to build it fast. The habit is this: daily strategic reflection. Not journaling. Not to-do lists. But asking one powerful question every morning. What is the one move I can make today that brings me closer to financial freedom? Millionaires think in terms of leverage. They look for actions that create massive results, not busywork. They build systems. They invest in assets. They scale ideas. Here's how you install it in 7 days. Set a calendar reminder every morning. Ask the question and write it down. Take action before noon. Repeat. You're literally rewiring your brain for wealth. Want more millionaire habits like this? Subscribe and upgrade your internal operating system. This is just the beginning.